Sparky. I know. I know. Oh dear. Well, we need to get that. Okay, Peepers, you gotta get out from the car. Come on. I know. That darn bird, huh? I know. That darn bird. It's like he thinks he has a right or something. Nice job, Sparky. Nice job. Let's see if we can get just your harness up there. Gosh, I'm running out of little bits of almond. Can you do that? Yay, good girl. Good girl, I know. Oh, okay then. What's going on? Can you do that? Do I need to do something about that? Yeah. Okay. Can you hit the target one more time, and then I'll take care of Peepers, okay? Nice job, honey. Nice job. Let's get rid of this bird. Okay, come on. You need to go away. Come on. I know, Sparky. We'll put it over there. Nice job, honey. I know. You're doing such a good job. I know. Oh, you done with that one already? Nice job, honey. You're not ready yet? I know. Nice. Good girly. Yeah. I know. You're doing such a good job, honey. Nice job, girly. Wow. I know, you're going to be a professional soon. You are. You're going to be a professional. You are. Oh, are you ready yet? Since when did you stop chewing on things so long? Yeah. You're doing such a good job, Sparky. You are. I know. Can you do that? I know. The dogs are there. Everything is like it always is. Good job, sweetheart. Good job. Peepers, you're being very good. You just wait a second. How about that? Okay, Sparky, one more good click. Nice job, honey. Good boy, baby. Good boy. Are you ready, Sparky? Can you do it? Nice job, honey. Sparky, you go ahead and do that. That's all yours. And you need to go. Ready? Go. Thank you. Excuse me. I know, but I am working with Sparky. Okay, Sparky, go ahead. Oops, I know. Was that just unfair or what? You were going to hit the target over here. Nice job. Nice job, baby. There you go. There you go. Dempsey, out. Dempsey, move. Here we go, Sparky. Can I just do it this way for a minute? Yeah, can I just do it this way? Yay! Good girly. Yay, good girly. Can you do another one? That was kind of irritating, wasn't it? I agree. There you go. Nice job, baby. Good job. Dempsey, move. I know, Sparky. Oh, look at you. You're standing right by it now, aren't you? You're like, this thing isn't going to scare me. It's not going to scare me. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready, Sparky? You're just a mess, little Miss Green Jeans. Yeah. Yeah. Nice job, honey. Nice job. You have to think about these things, don't you? Did you drop that one? No? Okay. Somebody over there is getting a little bit upset. Yeah. Are you going to be a minute? I know, you're top priority, so if you're going to be ready, then we'll just wait for you. I know. You're going to be a minute. Okay, we're savoring that one. Here you go, baby. Nice job. I know. Well, if you're going to savor it, then I have to do something else. I've got to take care of these things. Nice job, honey. Good job. Yay. Aren't you brave? Aren't you brave? Yeah, you seem to know. You're like, yep, I get it all for that. Thanks, man. Nice job, sweetie. Holy cow. Sparky touched the harness. I know. Okay then, can we try again? Or is that like such a big thing for you, you need to think about it for a while? I know. I think it was kind of cool. Yeah. I do. I do, Sparky. I think it was kind of cool. You're just a mess, little girl. Yeah. Do you want to try again or what? Here. You don't want to try again? Was that enough for you? Was touching it just like the big moment and then you're all done? Yeah? What do you think? Did you want to do a close one? We can do a close one. Yeah. There you go. Good girl. You're all done. Yeah, you're all done, Sparky. We're going to take that off. There you go. Nice job. I know. I know. You have something to think about now, don't you? Nice job, baby.